You are now listening to the Studio One sound.
Pull over!
Right, you've been driving in your car talking on your mobile.
I know, officer, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have been on the phone, but I had to take an emergency
Alright, give us your
man.
names.
My name's Leroy and my mate's Bezo.
Leroy and Bezo. That rings a bell. You're not them guys doing that big birthday bash on Bank Holiday Sunday, are you?
Yeah, that's us.
Alright, I'll let you go. Just give me a couple of tickets, alright? I'll see you there. I know it's going to be good.
Alright, no problem. Thanks, officer.
Studio One Syndicate presents the return of Leroy, the manager, and Bezos, Top Shelf Drinkers Birthday Ball. Bank Holiday Sunday, the 24th of August 2014, to be held at the plush and fully air-conditioned CC Rooms, 68 to 69 High Street, North Fleet, Gravesend, DA11 OBB. The Top Shelf Drinkers Ball is a night where we enjoy the finest brandy and champagne and listen to some of London's top DJs. Room 1, the Birthday Room, hosted by Leroy and Bezos. Featuring Desi G and Barry White, the JB crew, Fatsman and Colonel, the full Studio One crew, and Hyperius Q. Room 2, 100% soulful vibes with Company Soul Sound, DJ Ratty, Chairman, After Dark, Capricorn, Mystery, and Bobby C. Dance tickets only £12.50. Coach and dance tickets only £20. Also celebrating his birthday will be Winston BMW. Info hotline 07903 843 131.